Right, good morning, boys. This is your science activity for today. Activity one is that you complete an Edpuzzle activity. So most of you have done Edpuzzle already. And what I need you to do is make sure that you know where your password is. And your password is kept in the Year 7 Maths. If you can see over there, there'll be a password down the side under Math Groups and Passwords. That's where you find it. So just make sure that if you lost it, you go back and find your password there. So complete your Edpuzzle. Then the next one is activity 2. And what you need to do is you pull up your simulation. And you have that running along the side. Now it'll be quite a good idea just to bring it to the side of your page so that you've got something to work from. And you go to Net Forces. And when you're at Net Forces, you must make sure, as it says here, the little yellow green box, tick values and sum of forces. Those are the two things you need to do. And then there's a range of activities that you have to do using that simulation. So here are the questions that I've put up for you. But it actually means what you have to do is you actually have to change the force, the net force, by changing who's on which side and the size of the people on either side to see the net force. So you can see there's your sum of forces, which we've done last week. All right, so that's your activity there. Then this one here is actually you snipping, cutting and pasting using that simulation. So forces to the left is 50 newtons, that's that little guy there. 100 newtons, 50 newtons is the answer. So what did he have to do? There was two 50s on the right hand side and 150 on the left. So if the net force would be 50 on the right hand side. So you put in the right hand side. Okay. So it's very similar to what I've done in the Edpuzzle this week and last week. These ones here, you've actually got to cut and paste. So you set it up, and once you set it up, then you take your snipper, and then you, whoops, that's probably too big. What I need to do is I'll do a new one, make it smaller. You cut it like that, and you copy that, and you paste it into, oh, that's probably too big, so make that a bit smaller. So you're actually showing what you're showing what you the forces, the net forces. So at the moment I've made a mistake because it's 50 on the left and 50 on the right, but here it's 50 on the left and a total of 100 to the right. So I'd have to change that. So what do I have to do to do 100 to the right? Let's have a look. So I'd have to do, so if it's going to be 100 to the right, let's see how many newtons. Let's put the values up there. That's only 100, so that would be 50 less. So I have to put up another 150. Subtract 150 from 50 from 150 is 100 to the right. Okay, so then I take that and I snip that, copy that. And then I know that that is 150 newtons to the right and 50 newtons to the left. And that'll give me the total of 100 to the right. So you down the side here, that's where you put your activities. Activity 3, as I'll go through later with you.